How to send voice recordings on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can send voice recordings on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to send voice recordings on Messenger, normally if you open the Messenger application over here and then let's say you want to send a voice recording to someone, you normally just go to their profile page here and then you simply record a voice like this. But this is basically voice message, right? Because this is just a voice message and not really a recording. Because let's say you might have recorded a song from your recorder app on your Android phone and then you want to send that to someone. How do you go and do that? Well, again, it's very simple. In that case, open your file manager application, which could be any file manager application that you're using. Once you open a file manager app, simply go to your internal storage. Once you go to internal storage, simply navigate to the recordings tab over here, or you can simply go to the audio section in order to find them. Or what you can also do is, if you saved it from within the app, you can just select that and then you should be able to find it here. Now you can just long press on it and then you can tap the share icon and you can see file over here. Now you can just select the next option, and after that you can simply select messenger chats here, and after that, once you select messenger chats, just send it to the person that you want and the recording will get successfully sent. This way you can basically send voice recordings on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.